Guess fucking what, guys? Guess what? Bang! Today I made 339 bucks. Bam, 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 bam. Oh shit. So, during Asia session, we had the most obvious manipulation, looking for shorts. During London, we made this beautiful low, and we also had this previous day low, very in the far distance, I could say, compared to this, because let's see, on Nasdaq it was 300 pips away, and on the S&P 500 it was it was 500 pips away. Sorry, is it 500 or 50? I'm not even sure, but it was just manipulating the whole time. During London, however, we had this manipulation reversal kind of thing, or a manipulation consolidation type thing. And I don't know if you guys can hear the background. Please forgive me for it. So London looked pretty shit, but you could expect some longs, but this basically tells you nothing for New York, because this is just consolidation, which implies a manipulation reversal somewhere, and obviously the time frames were all bullish. If it can load, yeah. So during this manipulation London time frame, we didn't break structure, but yeah, we didn't break structure on any of the indexes, so we basically had the bullish trend which was going on. But yeah, as you can see later on, it got inversed on ES by the New York opening candle, which yeah, we made this bullish engulf pattern. I don't know if any of you guys trade like this, or anyone in the fucking world, but yeah, we made this pattern. And on Nasdaq, however, we didn't make anything or didn't break structure at all, because as you can see, the index is opened basically the different ways, or not the different ways, but basically I don't even care. Yeah, it didn't open the fuck am I saying? It's way too late now. But yeah, S&P was going down while Nasdaq was going up, and these indexes should go the same way. So yeah, it was quite unusual. But price has been shit for the past few days. For example, yesterday I lost 2.3% on my account, which is a lot, and basically the same happened. I think it was right here. Yeah, as you can see, we are looking at ES, which was going up the whole time, and on Nasdaq we were just going down. Where is open? Right here. Yeah, we had this small up chase, and then we were going down, and I lost my shorts that day as well as today for the most part. But yeah, Nasdaq was going up and ES was still going down. However, because of yesterday's basically ES won the day, or I don't know, you should trade day like this when both of the indexes are not aligned with each other. So I figured that ES would be stronger, and it was going down. So for me, it looked like a nice little short. And we also didn't take any of these lows on the Nasdaq, but we did on ES, which we have made S&P, but we have obviously Obviously, yeah, obviously made a couple of SMTs to the downside as well, because Nasdaq was taking out this high, which it later did, and ES was still very much under these highs. So yeah, when it swept it, when did it sweep it? 1600. Yeah, I just entered like one candle before that for shorts, and my entry was that I knew that we were going to break structure on the hourly. We also broke structure on the 30 minute, 15 minute, and the 5 minute. And as I told earlier, I thought that ES would won this race between the indexes. I don't know how you should say something like that. But yeah, as you can see, my shit basically got stopped the fuck out. I entered off of this 1 minute inverse fair value gap. And also I think we had, let's see, yeah, no. We respected this 5 minute fair value gap, and we have also field equilibrium. So that was my entry, targeting previous day lows. But yeah, it got stopped because Nasdaq still wanted to take out London highs, which it did like 4 or 5 minutes after my trade. And after taking out London highs, Nasdaq started. It didn't start going down, but it was way slower after that, and the whole trading day was basically just slow as hell. So I waited for ES to start coming up, and when it broke section the 1 minute, I thought that it would also inverse a gap that I wanted to inverse, this one right here. But yeah, I got scammed and it didn't inverse the gap and actually respected that. So this wasn't a good trade, or any of these. But yeah, I got kinda lucky and I moved my stop loss to right here. I think there was a high on my screen because it's not the same chart as on my phone, but a little bit different. So yeah, I moved my stop right here, and this trade won me like 0.3%, and this lost me 1.3, I'm not sure. And as you can see, this little fucker didn't even take this high, just by a centimeter or fucking 3 pips. And it started going down, and I entered my third trade when we filled the hourly equilibrium. And why is my shit so slow? Maybe I don't have my graphics card running or something like that, because I'm on my laptop. Maybe it's that. But I have to check, because my OBS says that my CPU is at 1%. So I figured that it is running at 1%. So yeah, just quickly get over with this trade. We feared. Bro, why are they so fucking loud, man? So, when we feel this hourly equilibrium, we have also inversed this 5 minute gap, or kinda inversed, on both of the indexes, which for me was good enough because I was fed up with this day. Yeah, we didn't inverse it right away, but because we have broken section, the 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, and the hourly as well, I couldn't really care less. It was just an entry. I had my stops around right here, I'm not sure, and I moved my stop later to here to secure a profit on the day. I won $339, so this won me like 1.5% or something like that. I'm not sure. And yeah, I could have had, but it wasn't logical to take a trade this late in the session because it's not optimal in my strategy. But I couldn't care less after a day like this, so I just wanted to make my money back, which is not a good thing, but it was in my favor this time. And yeah, we have also filled the hourly equilibrium on Nasdaq as well. So yeah, price action was just way cleaner later in the session, which is not a good thing. And price was shit today as well as yesterday. Yesterday I didn't have time to make a video, and I also didn't want to make one as well. So yeah, I'm gonna upload this today and see you guys maybe tomorrow if I can catch a trade. Bye.